Chase Commercial Roofing provides expert commercial flat roof replacement, repair, and installation throughout New Jersey. When it comes to dependable and high-quality commercial roofing services in New Jersey, Chase Commercial Roofing Flat Roof Specialist LLC stands as the trusted choice. Our reputation for quality is built on experience, expertise, and commitment by using only proven roofing techniques. We offer reliable solutions for installation, repair, replacement, and maintenance of flat roofs, metal roofing, TPO, EPDM, and more. Our team of certified commercial roofers is dedicated to protecting and enhancing your property with top-notch roofing solutions. From new installations to repairs and inspections, our experienced team works with all types of roofing systems. Need commercial roofing services? Contact us today.